Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. US dollar index flirts with session tops near 92.40 http ntvforex.com news ID 1:06 EF 6 minutes ago by Pablo Piovano DXY bounces off recent lows and regains the 92.40 region. The dollar remains under pressure near 2020 lows. Fed's peak, Dallas Fed index only of note in the US calendar. The greenback, in terms of the US dollar index DXY, manages to regain some poise and is testing the area of daily highs in the 92.40 zone at the beginning of the week. US dollar index focused on risk trends, data. The index is now showing some signs of life following Friday's sharp pullback to weekly lows around 92.20. Sellers, however, remain unable to push the dollar further south of the 92.00 neighborhood, levels last seen in May 2018. In the meantime, investors continue to look to the broad risk appetite trends when comes to determine the price action around the buck, while the US political backdrop continues to gain presence as we get closer to the November elections. Later in the US data space, FOMC SR. Clarida permanent voter, dovish is due to speak along with Atlanta Fed R. Bostic 2021 voter, centrist. In addition, the Dallas Fed will publish its manufacturing gauge for the month of August. What to look for around USD? The index has started the week on a cautious positive note, leaving behind some of the weakness seen following Chief Powell's virtual speech at the Jackson Hole Symposium. In the meantime, and looking at the broader picture, investors remain bearish on the dollar against the backdrop of a more dovish Fed, the unremitting progress of the coronavirus pandemic, political uncertainty, and the massive stimulus package, whereas occasional bouts of US-China tensions could lend some temporary legs to the greenback. US dollar index relevant levels at the moment. The index is gaining 0.11% at 92.40 and a break above 93.47 weekly high August 21 would aim for 93.99 monthly high August 3 and finally 94.20 38.2% Fibo of the 2017-2018 drop. On the downside, the next support is located at 92.20 weekly low August 28 seconded by 92.13 2020 low August 18 and then 91.92 23.6% Fibo of the 2017-2018 drop. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.